Today we are going to learn Mathematics Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable of Class 8, Exercise number 2.1. Let's solve question number 1 as you are able to see on the screen. Solve the following. X minus 2 is equals to 7. By adding 2 on both the sides, we can get x minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 7 plus 2. Then the value of x is 9. Question number 2. Solve the following. Y plus 3 is equals to 10. By subtracting 3 on both the sides, we can get y plus 3 minus 3 is equals to 10 minus 3. Then the value of y is equals to 7. Question number 3. Solve the following. 6 is equals to z plus 2. Then by subtracting 2 on both the sides, we can get 6 minus 2 is equals to z plus 2 minus 2. Then the value of z is 4. Question number 4. Solve the following. 3 by 7 plus x is equals to 17 by 7. Then by subtracting 3 by 7 on both the sides, then we can get x plus 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 is equals to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Then the value of x is 17 minus 3 by 7. Then x is equals to 14 by 7. Then the value of x is 2. Question number 5. Solve the following. 6x is equals to 12. Then by dividing 6 on both the sides, we can get x by 6 is equals to 12 by 6. Then the value of x is 2. Question number 6. Solve the following. T by 5 is equals to 10. Then by multiplying 5 on both the sides, we can get t by 5 into 5 is equals to 10 into 5. Then t by 5 into 5, both the 5's we can cancel. Then the remaining is t. And then 10 into 5 is equals to 50. So the value of t is 50. Question number 7. Solve the following. 2x by 3 is equals to 18. By multiplying 3 on both the sides, we can get 2x by 3 into 3 is equals to 18 into 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled and we can get 2x is equals to 18 into 3. Then by dividing 2 on both the sides, we can get 2x by 2 is equals to 18 into 3 by 2. Then the value of x is 27. Question number 8. Solve the following. 1.6 is equals to y minus 1.5. Then by multiplying 1.5 on both the sides, we can get 1.6 into 1.5 is equals to y by 1.5 into 1.5. Then we can get 2.40 is equals to y. Question number 9. Solve the following. 7x minus 9 is equals to 16. Then by adding 9 on both the sides, we can get 7x minus 9 plus 9 is equals to 16 plus 9. Then we can get 7x is equals to 25. By dividing 7 on both the sides, we can get 7x by 7 is equals to 25 by 7. Then the value of x is 25 by 7. Question number 10. Solve the following. 14y minus 8 is equals to 13. Then by adding 8 on both the sides, we can get 14y minus 8 plus 8 is equals to 13 plus 8. Then we can get 14y is equals to 21. Then by dividing 14 on the both the sides, we can get 14y by 14 is equals to 21 by 14. In 14y by 14 we can cancel both the 14s and the remaining is y. Then by cancelling 21 by 7 we can get 3 by 2. Then y value is 3 by 2. Question number 11. Solve the following. 17 plus 6p is equals to 9. Then by subtracting 17 from both the sides, we can get 17 plus 6p minus 17 is equals to 9 minus 17. Plus 17 and minus 17 both we can get cancelled, and the remaining is 6p is equals to minus 8. And by dividing 6 on the both the sides, we can get 6p by 6 is equals to minus 8 by 6. Then the value of p is equals to 14 by 3, 4 minus 4 by 3. We got this by cancelling 6p by 6. Both the 6 can get cancelled, and minus 8 by 6 we can cancel into table, and the value of p is minus 4 by 3. Question number 12. Solve the following. X by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 by 15. Subtracting 1 from both the sides, we can get x by 3 plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 7 by 15 minus 1. Then plus 1 minus 1 we can get the answer as 0. Then we can write x by 3 is equals to 7 by 15 by 15. In the RHS, we have took the LCM of 7 by 15 minus 1. We have got 7 minus 15 by 15. Then x by 3 is equals to minus 8 by 15. Multiplying 3 on both the sides, we can get x by 3 into 3 is equals to minus 8 by 15 into 3. In LHS, x by 3 into 3, both the 3's can get cancelled, and only x will be remain. In RHS, we can get minus 8 by 15 into 3, so then the value of x is equals to minus 8 by 5.